While the quiet Essex countryside slumbered the world over, we're working on the final development and testing of a completely new range of Ford tractors, the most advanced ever. The new tractor range needed the integrated resources of a new plant. And so, as early as 1961, plans were laid to transfer all Ford tractor production to Basildon. April 1962. And the contractors move on to the 100-acre site at Basildon New Town in Essex. Each day they work, the world population grows by 140,000. Every week, there are 1 million more mouths to feed. The buildings which rise at Basildon are designed specifically to build the tractors the farmers of the world must have if they are to double the food supplies by 1980 and to treble them by the turn of the century. Out of recognition of this tremendous task, Ford embarked on a £35 million reorganization of its worldwide tractor manufacturing resources and allocated the key role to this new Basildon plant, linking it with Ford plants at Antwerp in Belgium and Highland Park near Detroit in the United States. Just as the Basildon Onion, a 600,000-gallon water tower, became a landmark for miles around, the new factory would soon establish its hallmark of quality in world tractor history. £20 million was spent on building and equipping the Basildon plant, and soon the 13 acres of floor space began to fill with over 1,000 machine tools and assembly units, chosen as the best and most advanced of their type. As each machine was installed, it was tested, and so from the start the Basildon pattern was established, where every manufacturing process has its equivalent checking and testing procedure. Basildon is the keystone in Ford's worldwide plans to supply engines for all Ford tractors wherever built, and the most elaborate machine tools were assembled for engine production.